Join me as I put these 5 crazy washing machine inventions to the test and see if they really make laundry time a breeze. The world of laundry is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Washing machines have been around for decades, but recent innovations are changing the game. From smart sensors to advanced cleaning technologies, these new developments are making laundry day a whole lot easier. Traditional washing machines can be frustrating to use. They consume a lot of energy, make a racket, and sometimes don't even get your clothes that clean. And let's not forget about the maintenance. It's a hassle to keep them running smoothly. Many of us have experienced the disappointment of finding out our favorite shirt still has a stain after a wash cycle. I've had my fair share of ruined clothes due to a faulty washing machine. These issues have been around for far too long, but thankfully, things are changing. There are 5 crazy inventions that are about to revolutionize the way we do laundry. First up, we have a washing machine that uses sound waves to clean your clothes. This technology uses high-frequency sound waves to create a cleaning solution that lifts dirt and stains from fabric. It's gentle on clothes, energy efficient, and can even sanitize your laundry. Another invention is a smart washing machine that uses AI to detect the type of clothes you're rewashing and automatically adjusts the cycle. This means you get the best clean possible without having to worry about the details. A third invention uses a unique combination of water and air to create a powerful cleaning system. This system can remove tough stains and odors without using harsh chemicals. The fourth invention is a washing machine that can sanitize your clothes using UV light. This technology uses ultraviolet light to kill bacteria and viruses on your clothes, leaving them not only clean but also hygienic. The fifth and final invention is a machine that can wash and dry your clothes in under 10 minutes. This speedy washer and dryer combo uses advanced heat and moisture management to quickly clean and dry your clothes. Which one of these inventions sounds the most exciting to you? The most exciting invention to me has got to be the sound wave washing machine. The idea that sound waves can be used to clean clothes is just mind-blowing. No more tedious sorting, no more harsh chemicals, and no more broken washing machines. It's a game changer for laundry day. These 5 inventions address the challenges of traditional washing machines head-on. They offer energy efficiency, reduced noise, and improved cleaning power. Whether it's the sound wave washer, the AI-powered smart washer, or one of the other inventions, there's no denying that the future of laundry is looking bright. So, which of these crazy washing machine inventions is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.